Well, first I want to acknowledge and appreciate the judiciary. The judiciary is the last hope of the common man, and which is what they have proved again today, that we still have hope in this country. We have hope in the judiciary, and listening to the judgment, I want to say it's one of the very best judgments that can ever be given in none of our political matters so far. So I want to appreciate the tribunal, judges, and all those who worked, including everybody who have contributed one way or the other towards this very sound judgment. Again, I'd like to use the opportunity to talk to my people, the people of Bayelsa State, who graciously, freely gave me this mandate. So it is actually not my victory. It is the victory of the people of Bayelsa State. And so, as I always pledge, our administration is people-focused and people-oriented. So this will again give us a better latitude to continue to deliver the dividends of democracy to our people. You know that matters like these are distractions, particularly against the backdrop that you had an election that was adjudged to be one of the freest and the fairest, and yet you have been distracted over this period. I want to let my people know that we are still for you. We will continue to work for you, work with you until the final day of our administration. And so I want to appreciate the good people of Bayelsa State, people who stood by the truth, people who stood for democracy. Thank you, and God will continue to bless our state. God will bless Nigeria. Let me, well, before I go to call for my opponents, you know, I had a crack legal team, those who can behead and those who can make people to faint. They beheaded some fake witnesses and made some fake witnesses to faint. So I want to also appreciate my very strong, virile legal team, particularly the leaders, Barrister Uche, SAN, who is here with me, and Oyetibo, who is unavoidably absent, and all the other SANs and members of the legal team. They have done a very good work. Their commitment, their passion, and their everything. They threw in everything that they had to make this day a success. So I appreciate all of you, and we're always open to work with anybody. However, people must change in their ways. The days of rigging elections are over. The days where you threaten your own people, chase your own people out of their own land, where you now intimidate them and go and write votes, those days are over. And so if they change from those ways, yes, I will work with them. Thank you. Thank you.